When a part gets delivered to our company, it comes in UPS or it gets delivered in freight, and it could be 1,000 parts, and it could be jet engine parts, could be missile parts, could be military parts. We are so good at telling the customer, hey, we got your parts. And we snap a photo of the parts being received, and we'll email them the photo, be like, hey, here's your parts. You know, within 24 hours of receiving the parts, our customer review specialist goes through the contract, goes through the purchase order, responds to them, verifying the pricing. Here's the shipping method. Here's the shipping number. It's your account number, not ours, UPS number, you know, all that. And then it says in 24 hours, our production manager will alert you of the delivery date. 24 hours later, the production manager sends them, hey, I'm just picking up from where Tyler left off. I got you in the schedule, and here's when your parts are going to get delivered. While we're welding the parts, we send in-process photos, in-process videos to the customer of the parts being welded.
Taking advantage of modern technology.
Oh,
right here,
yeah.
right?
Oh, for sure. Innovation, you know, and you can innovate in a lot of different ways. And welding is kind of an old business. And in the beginning, I had a hard time trying to figure out how can we innovate when welding. But it's kind of just innovate through customer service sometimes. Right. It's nice. Because
well, yeah, like you said, the little things really matter. Giving those people the touches, let them know you're going that kind of extra mile and making that happen and delivering on, you know, quality products on time, every time.
On time, you know, our pricing is competitive. And then what's nice is sometimes we do run into some snags where we're going to be late. You know, maybe we realize
nobody's perfect.
Yeah, the fixture might not work out that well. They sent us or whatever. There's a million reasons. But the thing is, it's nice that we're always in contact with our customers. So if their part is due 2 weeks from today, but we see an issue today, we tell them today.
Right.
Hey, we don't wait till 2 weeks and the customer's waiting at the dock for their parts. Where's my parts? And then you tell them, oh, you know what? I forgot to tell you it's on hold because we're making the fixture.
Right.
I think that's what sets us apart from a lot of the other companies out there for service-based for welding, because it's a very fragmented market.
Yeah.
There are hundreds of welding companies out there.